Welcome to your Kansas City property managed perfectly by Alpine, best choice. Today I'll be sharing why Alpine is the best choice for managing your Kansas City properties. Whether you're a new investor or a seasoned landlord, our comprehensive management services are designed to maximize your investment and minimize your stress. First, let's talk about the local expertise that sets Alpine apart. Kansas City's real estate market is diverse, with various neighborhoods and unique market dynamics. Our team at Alpine has deep knowledge of the local market, from understanding neighborhood trends to knowing what tenants are looking for. This expertise allows us to position your properties competitively, ensuring high occupancy rates and optimal rental income. A cornerstone of our property management service is tenant screening. At Alpine, we believe that finding the right tenants is crucial to successful property management. We conduct thorough background checks, credit assessments, and rental history evaluations to ensure we select tenants who are reliable and likely to stay long-term. This rigorous screening process reduces turnover and vacancy rates, providing you with steady rental income and peace of mind. Next, let's discuss how we maintain your property. Alpine's proactive maintenance approach ensures your property remains in excellent condition, which is key to tenant satisfaction and property value retention. Our team handles all maintenance requests promptly and efficiently, using a network of trusted contractors to provide quality service at competitive prices. Regular property inspections also help us identify and address issues before they become costly problems. Effective communication is another hallmark of Alpine's property management. We maintain open lines of communication with both property owners and tenants, ensuring that everyone is informed and any issues are addressed quickly. Our online portal allows tenants to submit maintenance requests and pay rent electronically, making the process convenient and hassle-free for them. This level of service enhances tenant satisfaction and retention, which is beneficial for your investment. For those looking to buy or sell properties, Alpine's We Buy Houses program is a valuable resource. We purchase houses across Kansas City, offering competitive prices and a straightforward process. Whether you need to sell quickly or want to avoid the complexities of the traditional market, our program provides a seamless solution. We handle all aspects of the transaction, from the initial offer to closing, ensuring you get a fair deal and a smooth experience. We also emphasize the importance of strategic rent adjustments. Our team monitors local market conditions and rental trends to determine the optimal rent levels for your property. By regularly reviewing and adjusting rent rates, we ensure your property remains competitive while maximizing your rental income. This dynamic approach to rent management helps you achieve the best possible returns on your investment. In addition, Alpine's expertise extends to handling complex property issues and emergencies. Our team is trained to manage a wide range of scenarios, from natural disasters to major repairs. We have established protocols and a network of reliable contractors to address any issues quickly and effectively, minimizing disruption to your tenants and protecting your property's value. Furthermore, we believe in transparent and proactive communication with our clients. At Alpine, we keep you informed about every aspect of your property's management, from financial performance to maintenance updates. Our client portal provides easy access to reports, communication logs, and other essential information, ensuring you are always in the loop and can make informed decisions about your investment. Lastly, the Alpine advantage is about building a partnership based on trust and mutual success. We are committed to understanding your unique needs and providing personalized service that exceeds your expectations. Our goal is to be more than just a property management company. We aim to be a trusted advisor and partner in your investment journey, dedicated to helping you achieve sustained success. As we conclude, remember that having your Kansas City property managed by Alpine means more than just maintenance and rent collection. It's about maximizing value, optimizing performance, and ensuring long-term profitability. Alpine Property Management Kansas City is your best choice for a seamless and successful property management experience. Thank you for staying with us to explore why Alpine is the best choice for managing your Kansas City properties. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on property management and real estate investment. Ready to elevate your property management experience? Contact Alpine Property Management today, and let's work together to enhance your investment's potential and achieve remarkable success in Kansas City's real estate market. Together, we can turn your property management challenges into opportunities for growth and prosperity.